Michael and Emily loved their old oak tree. It was like their fave spot in the whole world. Michael, who was a writer and super imaginative, would tell these amazing stories under it. And Emily, who had the most incredible green thumb, would make the prettiest flower garden all around it. Their life? It was this totally beautiful story, all woven together with shared dreams and, yeah, tons of color. Years back, they'd gotten a life insurance policy. Seemed like the grown-up thing to do, you know? Just in case. The agent had mentioned something called living benefits, how they could actually use some of the money if a serious illness happened. They were like, okay, cool, and filed the papers away. Life was good, and they were busy living it. Then, bam, cancer. It totally shattered their peaceful little world. Emily, who could make anything grow, found a lump. It was ovarian cancer, and it cast a huge shadow over their sunny days. Suddenly, their lives were all about doctor's appointments, serious talks, and that yucky hospital smell. Emily's garden didn't seem as bright, and she got, really pale. Michael's stories? They kinda stopped. All those cool, made-up adventures were replaced by, medical bills and the clock ticking away. Emily's treatments were, really tough. They took all her energy and left her super exhausted. She had to stop working at the community garden she loved. Michael, who was usually glued to his keyboard, was now holding Emily's hand, and his writing desk? Yeah, it was collecting dust. Their savings, for that dream trip to see the cherry blossoms in Japan, were disappearing fast. One night, while he was searching for a lost bill, Michael found their life insurance policy. And guess what? Living benefits jumped right off the page. It was like this forgotten thing, this potential lifesaver. So he called the insurance company, his voice all shaky but hopeful. It was a whole thing with paperwork and calls, but a few weeks later, they got a chunk of Emily's life insurance. It was like a huge weight had been lifted. The money helped so much. They paid off those crazy medical bills, which meant they could actually focus on Emily getting better, not freaking out about money. They hired a part-time nurse to help Emily out, which gave Michael time to work from home and, be both her caregiver and her husband. But the living benefits? They weren't just about the money. They let Emily have some joy and comfort, too. They got this special bed that she could adjust, which helped with her pain and let her sleep better. They hired a massage therapist who knew all about cancer patients, which gave her some relief. And you know what? When Emily said she'd always wanted to see cherry blossoms, even if they couldn't go to Japan, Michael had a local nursery bring a bunch of blossoming cherry trees to their backyard. Their everyday space was turned into this amazing, springtime wonderland. Michael started writing again, not those fantastical stories, but this really moving account of what they were going through, all about love, loss, and how hope can keep you going. He'd read his stories to Emily under the cherry blossoms, the smell mixing with her fave herbal tea. That life insurance, which had seemed so distant before, became this real, tangible thing, a way to show their love and get some much-needed support. It didn't cure Emily, of course, but it let them deal with cancer with, some dignity and peace. The living benefits? They weren't just about the cash, they were about keeping them connected, making beautiful moments even when things were awful, and letting their love story keep going, even when the ending was uncertain.
Overwhelmed by financial stress? Take charge before it takes over your life. Money worries can feel suffocating, but you're not powerless. By creating a solid plan, setting clear goals, and making smart financial decisions, you can regain control and build a secure future. Start by assessing your current situation, cutting unnecessary expenses, and exploring ways to increase your income. Financial freedom isn't out of reach. It starts with small, consistent actions today. Don't let stress dictate your future. Take the first step towards stability and peace of mind. Ready to regain control? The power is in your hands. Start your life insurance today. Send me a message or comment. 1. Life call 330-5777. 73496. Crucial. Life and disability insurance can help replace lost income, ensuring you and your loved ones stay financially secure. Don't wait for the unexpected. Plan today for peace of mind tomorrow.
Lock in your best life insurance rate before your birthday. Hi guys, I just wanted to reach out and let you know that right now is the best time to lock in your life insurance. Rates are at their lowest, and your current age and health are key factors in keeping costs down. As time goes on, and especially after your next birthday, rates can increase, and any changes in your health can impact your coverage or pricing. Securing your policy today means locking in the best rate and protecting your future, no matter what life brings. Let me know if you're ready to take that next step. I'm here to help. To start your coverage today, text 1LIFE to 33057773496. Text 1LIFE to 33057773496.
Protect your energy like your dreams depend on it. Stop giving your energy away to those energy vampires. Be careful what you put in your head, what information you expose yourself to. Stay positive. Best of luck.